summer is over in a flash and you're on your way.
And do it right.
Hi guys, welcome back to part 3 of the lights on 96.
But every year I hear
after doing some calculations, why am I
I'll never being this humid in Texas ever before. I want to see the sports guy lean over and go, pow!
Now put that down. So after doing some calculations, we've got a selection of these which don't have holes in the end. Don't know if you'll be able to see that from that distance, but they don't have the cracks like this one does, which has a massive hole in it. So what we've decided to do is, because we've got 6 of these are coming downstairs, and the square ones that we originally took off are going upstairs. And at some point we'll try and not kill the owner. So we're going to carry on. Shaun is going to carry on with this while I carry on tidying up downstairs, and we'll see where we get up to later on.
Right, hi guys, just done with all stripping the lights, -1, but if you remember correctly, this is the one I riveted. I ain't unplugging that just yet until I know where the rest of them goes, because we're going to use the ballast that we got off the Southampton on the lights that were originally on here, just to make it a bit easier for wiring up, because then all I've got to do is plug the bulbs in and we'll get it done even quicker. But all the ones up here are done. Just literally got to get downstairs done, switch the 2 lights over, and then we can get the fittings on down there and get up here done. We're very good then. I'll be nice and happy, and I can kill Miss Blackpool, also known as Mark.
Swinging from the chandeliers, I won't be sorry. I got a feeling I'm gonna crash into this party.
I'm just an accident waiting to happen like.
Right guys, as you can see, we have all of the lights that were originally in here, back in here and mounted. We just need to test them. I think we should go do that now. 2 minutes. Yeah, that's a good angle for you. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4 not working, these 3 are fine. Oh, what's wrong with that one? This one, there we go, there's work now. That's another one there, there we go. Job's a good one. So, you've already seen them working, but now we're all working and our cover's on. I think we can finally say it's a job done for the lights. Just go downstairs today. I've got 2 lights to change, which I've already removed. Just got to put old ones through that were up here down there, and then we've got to put covers on, and then that's 96 lighting complete and working.